Our topic for today is factoring difference of two cubes. It is in the form a cube minus b cube, and the factor is in the form quantity a minus b times quantity a squared plus 2 plus ab plus b squared. The binomial factor is the cube root of the first element or the first term is the cube root of the first term of the binomial cube, and also here b is the cube root of b cube. And for the trinomial factor, the first term is the square of this one. A squared is the square of a, and this one plus ab is the product of a and b, and we have here minus sign here, minus here, plus here, plus, and the last term is the square of the last term of the binomial b. So let's have an example. Example, cube x cube minus 27. Let's get the cube root. You have here the cube root of x cube and the cube root of 27. The cube root of x cube is x, and the cube root of 27 is 3. So we have here the first factor is the binomial factor is quantity a minus 3. Since this is minus, so this is minus cube of x cube. X is the cube root of x cube, and 3 is the cube root of 27. And the first term of the trinomial factor is the square of the first term. Here we have x squared, then the product of this one is 3x, and this is plus, this is minus, minus, and this is plus, and the last term is the square of 3. Square of 3 is 9. So I have here the factor of x cube minus 27 quantity is equal to quantity x minus 3 times quantity x squared plus 3x plus 9. That is how to find the cube root, the factor of the difference of two cubes. Another example, we have here 8x cube minus 64. Let's get the cube root of 8x cube and 64. Cube root of 8x cube is 2x, and the cube root of 64 is 4. So we have here 2x, quantity 2x minus 4, square this one, so we have here 4x squared, multiply 4 and 2, and we have 8x, and the last is squaring 4 is 16. So the factor of 8x cube minus 64 is quantity 2 is equal to quantity 2x minus 4 times 4x. squared plus 8 plus 16. This is minus, and this is plus and plus. In case you have a fraction, so we have here 1 over 8x cubed minus 125. You have to get the cube root of this one, and the cube root of this one is 1/2 x, and the cube root of 125 is 5. So we have here 1/2 x minus 5. This is minus and this is minus. Cube root of 18x cubed is 1/2 x, and the cube root of 125 is 5. Then you have to square this one for the trinomial factor. The first term is, so we have here the square of 1/2 x is 1/4 x squared, multiplying this one, multiply this one, 1/2 x and 5, we have plus 5x over 2, then squaring this one is plus 25, which is 25. So first we get the cube root of this one and this one, and the answer is here. Then square this one to get the first term, multiply this one and this one to get the middle term, and square the last term. So the example is 8x cubed over 27 and minus 64 over 125. So cube root of this one is 2x over 3, and this is 4 over 5. So we have here 2x over 3 minus 4 over 5. So this is minus, this is minus. Then square this one. The square of 2x is 2x over 3 is 4x squared over 9. Then multiply this one and this one. So we have here plus 8x, because 2 times 4, 2x times 4 is 8x, 3 times 5 times 3 is 15, and square the last term. Square of this one is 16 and 25, so we have here plus 16 over 25. Just get the cube root of this one and this one, and have here the cube root. The first term is the square of this term, the first term of the binomial, 2x over 3, the square of this one, the square of this one is 4x squared over 9. Then multiply 2x over 3 and 4 over 5, so we have here 8x over 15, and square the last term, 4 over 5, so 16 over 25. This is minus, and this is plus and plus. That is how to get the factor of the difference of two cubes.